Evening, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch on August 12, 2023 on the planet. I hope you're all well. So I'm just going to do a heat report in one area only, two actually. So folks, when you do this throughout the day, several times a day, and you're also looking at the seismic activity, jet streams, all the heat indications, etc., you get a feel or a sense on how our Mother Earth has been doing. And since the Hawaiian fires, she's taking a deep breath. She's relaxing, except for one area. Now, here, normally, the Persian Gulf, I'll ignore all these because I know what they are. They're the whales flaring off to relieve the pressure. However, not all of them this time. I'll show you a couple later. Let's go next door to the Red Sea. So this is a volcanic region. There are a total of 19 anomalies. Here, turn that down. A total of 19 anomalies, including some in the waters. So the temperatures are averaging around 318 Kelvin. Not too hot. However, it is the number of them throughout this region. This area here has been seismically active right here. Now, I checked every single one. I'm not going to go through every one and show you. I'm only going to show you one. 575. And actually, I covered this one a few days ago. So we have three indications, including one in the water right here. For a total of, 19 today in this region. And along the shoreline, right here, again, where there's been quite a bit of seismic activity here. So let's go back to the Persian Gulf. So just two I want to pull up. So we have some heat in the waters in this facility here. As well as some of them are just offshore island regions. So we have no pumping operations here. We have no wells. And again, normally I will ignore all the heat indications here because they are, see if I can find you one example. Here we go. Oh, that's a loading facility. Anyway, all these dots or the oil and gas platforms. Ships. So again, normally I will ignore all of these, but far too many. This simply means we have a lot of pressure upwelling, pressure coming up underneath Saudi Arabia, here and here. We have a lot of heat, we have a lot of magma rise. So that's all I want to cover for today. One more thing, folks, please, one more thing. I'm sure you've seen this. October 1, 2022. Now people are claiming that this is a due attack on Maui. Come on, people, let's have some common sense, as I've gone through this so many times. The heat started at 0050 time, Maui time. Started in the waters. All these pictures circulating are daytime. These are not dew strikes on Hawaii. They are not dew strikes on Maui. After 0050 hours, the subsequent heat anomalies, the fires, were at 424, 505, 604, 606, etc., all during the nighttime. That's when the fires started, not in the middle of the daytime. Go to Google Earth, and you can view the shoreline of Maui well past Lahaina. This is not Maui, folks. This is a long duration exposure picture. Falcon 9 launched from Vandenberg Air Force Base, 2019. Anyway, you know what the sad thing is, folks? The governments will allow this nonsense. Why? Because it serves as a distraction from what probably happened, which is the rise of magma following the earthquakes. Do your own investigation. Does Lahaina have natural gas? Yes, they do. They have natural gas into the neighborhoods. Do you think maybe the natural gas lines exploded when they were heated? Possibly. Anyway. That's it for now. I may be back later on this evening, but right now everything's sort of calmed down on our planet. Oh, what's this then? So I've seen this before. I think I've done a report already. Some more. Imagine that, in the waters. These would be the wells. I ignore these, flaring off, relieving the pressure. Not these folks. you want to stick around for a minute, I'm not going to turn this off yet. One moment. British Columbia has 199 known volcanic regions, volcanoes, cinder cones, etc. 7 so far, such as I have pointed out, are beginning to heat up. Right on the edge of the Cayley volcanic field. Anyway, folks, anything else develops tonight, I'll be back. Have a swell day, eh?